are ultra focus patches. That's what they're called, basically. These do not have nicotine, do not have caffeine. What they do have is they have theanine, alpha GPC, ginseng, and vitamin B6 and B12. I have it over here. And Enfinity, which helps cognition, attention, clarity, memory, and mood. Basically what this is something, if you need that kind of get into that focus and you need some energy, you kind of need to feel like you drank a cup of coffee, but you don't want to drink a cup of coffee. That's what this is for. And I definitely noticed a difference. I tried every one. I tried the Cool Mint. I tried the Tropical, which was gross in my opinion. And I tried the Winter Mint. By far, the Winter Mint was my favorite. I thought the Cool Mint was going to be my favorite. I thought it was too minty, too spicy, I guess. The Tropical was, I don't know what that is supposed to be, the taste. This was actually very enjoyable. And I definitely noticed something with this one when I took it. I definitely felt clearer. Again, you just feel it. Like it just is it puts your brain into another cog. So, nicotine-free, and all that. So this is something, if you want to try out. Just figured I'd come on here. I didn't really feel much, and I think it's because I didn't enjoy the flavor of it, which sounds very odd. But I did like the Wintergreen. So yeah, that's the patch. And they also have a spot where you can put the old ones up here. And actually, I should have actually opened it up and showed you. That's what they look like.